17 is small body. The tail design is close to tailless. The ring canopy adopts thinking design and built-in support to increase the pressure capacity. The boom cylinder uses the lower cylinder to increase the digging depth. This diesel hydraulic mini cruller excavator has the functions of digging, crushing, cleaning, drilling, and backfilling. With quick coupler, it can quickly replace all the accessories and greatly improve the utilization rate. On 17, configuration and technology are overall upgrade. It adopts world-renowned hydraulic system. Each type frame and all structural parts manufactured by ourselves. The surface finishing of whole machine is also updated with anti-rust painting, which greatly improves the stability, durability, and controllability. This macro-channel excavator must be your ideal choice for all small working conditions to maintain strong excavation force and competitive operation efficiency.